welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. And this is one of Ty's favorites. The goal of this video is simply to show you how powerful and cool Nimble can be. If you like this stuff, or this video makes you smile, please click the like button. So generally, when you create a web app or mobile application, you use responsive design. However, every now and then you would want to add a little bit of wow factor to your application. It's that little bit of eye candy that demonstrates a level of skill above the status quo in web development. This video will attempt to address that scenario. I currently have a prototype of the menu system that I intend to use in my chat room mobile app. When this menu is initialized, it will appear with the menu items hidden. It will be located horizontally centered and at the bottom of the display. When the button is pressed, the menu will slide up to the center of the screen and the menu items will expand into view. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how easily you can build such a menu component using Nimble. We start building this menu as a simple div. It's approximately 160 by 160 pixels in size using absolute position. You then simply place the menu bar icon in the center of the div. This icon serves as the launch button. Next, you place all of the menu items around the launch button in their desired position when the menu is fully expanded. Nimble has a really neat feature that will auto-build code snippets from layouts and snapshots. For this example, we're going to ask Nimble to build the script for animating icons into the final positions. If we highlight all of the icons that we intend to animate and make sure not to include the launch button, Nimble can write batch commands for animation. Once they are selected, we can right-click and select the script submenu. Then we select Center To command. This instructs Nimble to build the script to center all the selected icons into their current position. The code snippet that is created will use the with batch command to animate all icons with a decay of 0.25 milliseconds. And it's just that simple. I wanted to give you an overview on how easily the script was created. Nimble can create scripts for hiding, showing, and most of the standard UI transitions. I've pre-generated all the scripts from my menu prototype, and I'm going to demonstrate them for you now. For this example, I'm going to load my Form 1 so that we can play around with these scripts live in the UI. These pre-generated scripts will provide all of the hide, show, and animations needed for this menu component. I'm going to simply copy my scripts into a Nimble template editor. The desktop version of Nimble has a nice feature to run script, but it's only for admin. By selecting any code snippet and right-clicking in the context menu, you can see the ability to run script live. For my first example, I will highlight the code snippet that will hide all captions on all menu items. We right-click and select the Run script. We will be given a prompt before we will see the results. Please be aware that running live scripts can corrupt the editor, so this feature will be made available through a plugin. So now we will select the collapsed code snippet and run it as a script. This will allow you to preview exactly how the menu will animate at runtime. When the application starts, the menu will be totally collapsed with all of the captions hidden. As I mentioned before, the launch button will be centered horizontally and at the bottom edge of the screen. When the launch button is clicked, it will slide to the center of the screen and the menu items will expand and the captions will be displayed. We'll take a look at the expand and display of the captions now. We can now just highlight the expand menu script and run it. You'll notice each menu will slide back into its original expanded position. And after the animation is complete, I can use the hide show caption script by simply changing the word hide to show and rerun the script. the entire menu animation sequence has been achieved. I wanted to take a little time today to show you one of my favorite Nimble features and how the application can generate code snippets for enhancing your components. Once you've created all the scripts for each component state, you can package them all into a factory and trigger them with any event message. And there you have it, a dynamic one-of menu prototype, all contained within its parent div so the elements don't bleed over into your responsive design. The Nimble solution. Thank you for watching.